Hi kindergarten, it's Mrs. Battles. I hope you guys are doing awesome. Today I have ready for you a math lesson all about, you guessed it, shapes. I want to tell your parents right now that in the video description I've left a link for some activities that they can print out, or you can just look at, and when you look at the document, you can basically recreate it on your own, or just use it as a reference on your screen, and then do it on the Math Learning website that I sent you another video. I just did a video explaining how to use the Math Learning Center app on the Geoboard and on using shapes like this and digital shapes like these. So there is a link in the description for activities that you can use with that, and I highly recommend that you use them. Today we're going to take a look at my shape picture here. It's a cool activity for you to do at home, draw all these kind of cool shapes. And today we are going to play a game. I drew all of these shapes, and I only have one in my brain that I'm thinking of, and I want you to guess the shape. Are you ready? Okay. So think in your brain, what shape do you think Mrs. Battles would have picked? It's one of these. Make your guess. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a clue about my shape, or what my shape has or doesn't have, and based on my clue, I want you to think, what should I be able to take away? And then the last shape left is my shape. You ready to try? Okay. So, if you're looking at these shapes, you're going to see circles. See if you can find a circle. You're going to see triangles. Triangles have 3 sides. See if you can find the triangles. And you're going to see squares. Squares have 4 sides, and all the sides are the same length. And then there are rectangles. Rectangles have 4 sides, and 2 sides are the same, and the other opposite 2 are also the same. All right. So take a look. Here's your first clue. My shape has no curves. No curved lines. What can I take away? Right. Circles have curved lines, so my shape cannot be a circle. So I'm going to take away all of the circles. Ready? Let's do it this way so you guys can see. That's a circle. It's got curved sides. Here's a circle with curved sides. It's a circle, it has curved sides. And another circle here. All right. You ready for my next clue? Okay. I missed a circle. My goodness. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. That's why I need you guys. Okay. My next clue is my shape has 4 corners. What shape can I take away? Right. I can take away the triangles, because triangles don't have 4 corners. They have 1, 2, 3. They only have 3. So I need to take away all my triangles. Will you help me? Okay. This one is 3. I want a shape with 4, because the shape in my brain is 4. This one is 3. 1, 2, 3. This one has 3. Let's see. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. This one has 3. It's a triangle. This triangle's almost erased, but it's got 3 corners. And there's a triangle here we can erase. And don't forget the one right in the middle. It has 3 corners. Okay, I want you to look. What's left? You should see 2 types of shapes left. One shape that I see are rectangles. I see a rectangle here that's really tall and skinny. I see a rectangle here. It's kind of angled, but it's still a rectangle. See a rectangle here and here? Those are some cool looking rectangles. And even if they're this direction, or this direction, or this direction, it doesn't change. They're still rectangles. Rectangles do not have to be directly straight up or down, or sideways. They could be a little crooked. They're still rectangles. I also see squares. I see a square here, 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 and here. Do you know what the difference between squares and rectangles are? They look kind of similar, but squares, all the sides are the same length. So if you look at this square here, this side is the same length as this one and this one and this one. They're all the same. But if you looked at a rectangle, like, let's look at this one. It's a good example. This side is the same as this one, but these sides are way shorter. They're the same as each other, but they're completely different from these ones. So there's a difference there. All right, you ready for my clue? Okay. My shape. In my shape, all the sides are the same. So what can I erase? Did you say I could erase rectangles? You got it. So I can erase this rectangle because it has different sizes or different lengths. This is a rectangle. This side is longer than this one, so it can't be my shape. Let's see. These are rectangles because this side and this side are longer than the other sides. So that one cannot be my shape. This one, all the sides are the same. All the same and all the same. We've only got 4 shapes left. Do you know what they are? They are all squares. All right. In my shape, it's my last clue. You ready to get it? Okay. My shape is red. You found it, right? Yeah. My shape is this red square here. Let's erase the others. Blue, black, and green. My final shape was the red square. That's awesome. You guys did it. I am so proud of you. Today, I want you to keep working hard, listen to mom and dad, have a good attitude, do your very, very best. And I'm going to see you soon. Bye, guys.